Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to cancel app subscription on Google Play Store. So if you guys subscribe an app in Google Play Store and you want to unsubscribe their its subscription, so I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So you can just go to Play Store, and after that click on your profile at the top, and here go to payments and subscription, and here go to subscription. Okay, so here is the list of my subscription. So you can see the payment is now declined, and if you want to unsubscribe or to cancel this subscription, just click on this and you'll be directed to the manage subscription option. And if you want to cancel, just click on the cancel subscription at the bottom. So the Google will question you what's making you cancel the subscription. You can just for example, I want to cancel because it's a cost related reason, so just click on continue, and here just click on cancel subscription, and then just like that the subscription will be canceled. And I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye.